the scale of this. It is absolutely massive. We are standing right next to the future of space travel.
Tolerances here are critical. Double check the welding points.
Looks good from this angle, confirming structural integrity. This facility represents the pinnacle of aerospace engineering, where precision robotics assemble the next generation of spaceflight hardware.
See this anomaly on the 3D model right here?
Yeah, I see it. Scanning that specific weld now.
The heat map is showing green.
The compression cycle completed perfectly. Deflection is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The cooling sequence is initiating now.
The hydraulic press applies immense pressure, transforming the flat aluminum sheet into a critical semi-cylindrical component for the fuselage.
Alignment nominal.
Applying final torque.
Readings look good on the auxiliary manifold.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next stage.
This facility represents the pinnacle of aerospace engineering, assembling the next generation of launch vehicles. The readout here shows a slight fluctuation in the plasma flow. It's within tolerance, but monitor it closely.
Maintain current trajectory. Thermal levels are optimal across the board.
Copy that. Proceeding with the automated sequence.
Adjusting pitch by 0.05 degrees. How is the starboard side?
Clear. Hand signals confirmed. Proceed slowly. Telemetry is solid across the board. We are good for final alignment.
Copy that. Proceeding with the sequence.
Bring it down slowly. Steady, right there.
Acknowledged. We are locked on the mark.
Thruster array alignment is within tolerance based on current telemetry.
Agreed, but monitor the gimbal servos closely during final integration. We're seeing a spike here.
Steady descent. We have clearance at point 4.
Confirmed. Speed holding at 0.1 meters per second.
Approaching final alignment. Stand by for lock. Down another 5. Steady.
Locked in place. We have alignment.
The alignment on this seam is showing a slight deviation near the port.
Yes, I see it. We should run the laser scan again before proceeding.
We're showing a deviation of 0.05 millimeters, adjusting the z-axis now.
Confirmed. Crane, initiate row adjustment as planned.
Roger.
Alignment is confirmed at this point.
Fantastic work, everyone. We are fully integrated.
Almost there. Slow it down.
Hold at 3 degrees rotation. Copy that. Holding steady.
Alignment check confirmed.
Stand by. Slight adjustment required. Bring it up just a fraction.
Okay, resetting descent profile. Looks good now.
Look at the telemetry on quadrant 4. Stable burn.
Confirmed. All systems are green for launch sequence verification.
You're aligned on the starboard ring.
Confirmed. Proceed with the final seating.
We have stability on the manifold.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. Proceeding with Phase 2 synchronization.
Final torque sequence complete.
Confirmed. We are green for attachment.
Excellent work, everyone.
Lowering sequence initiated. Maintain current vector.
Vector confirmed. All green on telemetry.
We have alignment. Proceed with the docking sequence. Engaging clamp 1.
Clamp 2 engaged. Status is green across the board. Check the alignment on servo 3 right there. Got it. Adjusting now. Looks good.
Status is nominal. Go ahead with the sequence start. And monitor that fluctuation on the graph in sector gamma.
That should hold the pressure stabilization module in place.
Verified. The torque setting is within tolerance. Ready to proceed to the main injector.
Are we looking on alignment, team? Plus 0.01. We have visual confirmation. Locked in.
The laser alignment is stable.
Confirmed. Data stream looks good on the holographic.
We have full integrity on the forward section.
Alignment is good. Lock it down.
We are fully connected. Great job, everyone. Final bolt secured.
Good job, everyone. We are go for integration.
Clear on my side.
Alignment looks good, and we are set for final integration. We have ignition.
The simulation is a go. Confirmed. All parameters are within acceptable limits.
Solid burn time achieved. These readings correlate precisely with the baseline model.
Excellent. Logging the data now.
See the reading right here on the flange? It's within tolerance.
Confirmed. The handheld scan matches the robotic data.
Look at the pressure differential here at the apex.
Adjusting the angle of attack seems to stabilize the flow.
We need to maintain this velocity for the full sequence.
The thermal signature here is slightly elevated.
Check the delta on section 4.
Logging the variance now.
Fluctuation is stabilizing. Check the thrust parameters.
It's holding steady in the green zone. Optimal performance confirmed.
Excellent work, everyone.
All teams, transport moving on bearing 29er.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the gantry.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Roger. Maintaining distance. Keep it steady.
Altitude looks good, steady descent.
T-5 and touchdown!
Yes, we have contact. Great job, everyone.
Roger that. We have positive confirmation on the alignment. Continue lowering the payload.
Pressure looks stable across the board, ready for the sequence start.
Confirmed. Engaging ground hydraulics.
Guidance reports green. Verify alignment on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final descent sequence. The pressure is holding steady at 80 psi.
Confirming telemetry looks good from here.
Component is installed and torqued.
Copy that. Parameters look nominal. Frost buildup is increasing.
Thermal sensors are reading green.
Proceed with the flow increase.
We have lateral drift on the port side. Adjusting now.
Confirmed. Stabilization looks good. Proceed with final descent.
T-minus 7 seconds.
Pressure looks stable on the hydraulics.
The pressure reading on the turbopump is stable, right within the green band.
Confirmed. We are clear for fueling.
Telemetry is green across the board. Guidance.
Copy that. Propulsion systems nominal. We are go for launch.
T-minus 15 seconds and counting.
Confirming engine ignition sequence enabled.